Have you ever wondered about the top free ways to make money online? In a world where the internet has become a bustling marketplace, the possibilities are endless. From selling your skills to running your own virtual store, there's a treasure trove of opportunities waiting to be uncovered. And the best part, many of these methods won't cost you a dime to start. Intrigued? Excited? You should be. Stay tuned as we dive into the top free ways to make money online. Starting with number 4 on our list, let's dive into the world of freelance work. Freelancing is all about selling your skills to those in need. You might be a writer, a graphic designer, a programmer, or even a virtual assistant. The beauty of freelancing is that it allows you to set your own rates and work on your own schedule, making it a very flexible way to earn an income online. Plus, there are numerous platforms out there where you can showcase your skills and connect with potential clients. Moving on to number 3, we have online surveys. Now, this might not be the most glamorous way to make money online, but it's definitely one of the easiest. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions to help guide their business decisions, and they're willing to pay for it. Just sign up, take a few surveys, and watch the money roll in. It's that simple. Counting down to number 2, we have starting a blog. If you have a passion for a particular subject and love to write, starting a blog could be a great way to generate income. You can make money through advertising, sponsored posts, or even by selling your own products or services. It might take some time to build up an audience, but once you do, the earning potential can be quite substantial. Stay tuned and prepare to be amazed. The top free way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. It's the best choice because it's easy to start, doesn't require any upfront investment, and can generate passive income. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your link. The best part? You don't need to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. All you need is a platform to promote the products, and you're good to go. To get started, choose a product you love, then promote it. This method stands out as the top free way to make money online. There you have it, the top free ways to make money online. From freelance work to online surveys, there's something for everyone. So why wait? Dive in, explore these opportunities, and start your journey to financial freedom. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your online money-making success.